I'm going to show you this very nice, pretty unusual 1973 Dodge Charger. I believe it's an SE. This is equipped with an original 440 motor, which is in 73 put out 280 horse. Previous editions put out up to 375. Now this has the hideaway headlights, which were not originally on this car. The person who did the refurbishment had these and liked the look more than the stock, so that's why they're on there. Really nice looking car, the correct wheels I believe. Black vinyl top with a sunroof. The body's in really nice condition. I don't see any rust, any corrosion. Has newer paint, has new carpet. The upholstery's good. The top of the headliner's good. The moonroof, it will go back, but not easily because the gears on the manual crank are stripped. So I was able to get it go back a few inches, and then I was able to get it closed, but it was not an enjoyable process. Has all new dash. Gauges are all there. The gauges are, I believe the speedo worked. The other ones I don't believe are working. What makes this car valuable, in my opinion, is how straight it is. No rust. Dual exhaust. Now this car comes with the broadcast sheet, and the broadcast sheet is a document that Chrysler and other manufacturers put in the vehicle as it was going down the assembly line, so the workers would know what options and also what trim and so forth to put in the car. So it's not only options, but it's actually the specifics on how the car was built. And so this vehicle came with a broadcast sheet. This has a hood release. This is a pretty rare set of options. So it has the power windows that work great, the sunroof, the 440 motor, and those are disc brakes in front. It has the SE badging. I'll open the hood. So this is the original 440 motor, and this front end, these lights, the flip-up lights work perfect. Has a power booster, original Mopar sticker on it. Has the really nice shape. So this has been refurbished, not completely. The heating system is not plugged in, because I can see it's partially plugged but not fully. Overall though, really nice shape. Still has the emissions label on it. Now this is smog exempt in California because it's a 1973. Overall, a really good looking car. So we're gonna go for a quick drive. It drives really good. There's power steering, power brakes, power windows, So we'll go for a quick drive. Put in the key. I always remember you put the teeth facing up. I'm going to put the seatbelt on so it doesn't. Well, I'm going to try to. I can't. Guess it will drive us crazy. So it has a 3-speed automatic, power steering, power front disc brakes. It drives out nice. So it drives out nice, and the speedometer jumps around a little. That usually means it needs a new cable. Typically, that's what that means. Car drives out well, shifts well, motor runs very nice and smooth. Good power, nice smooth power. So it brakes nice and straight. Doesn't take a whole lot of brake pedal. Turn signals, I believe, work. So there's that window going down. Put this one down. So I can't get the fan to work. Looks like all the controls are there, but can't get it to blow. Has an inside hood release, brake release, new carpeting, new dash cover. The top, the headliner seems to be in really nice shape. The car runs well. It has dual exhaust. So this has quite a bit of really heavily optioned car. It has the 440 motor. This was originally built with air conditioning, power windows, moonroof. It shifts very nicely. It's all 3 gears. So this is the original motor in this original 440. Really nice original straight car. Clean California title. So we'll turn in here. We're going to use this window we're in front of, and we're going to turn on the lights so the lights work. Low beams, high beams, and they close right up. See if the wipers work. So let's review 1973 Dodge Charger. Clean California title, no smog requirements, it's smog exempt. Really nice car, no corrosion that I can find on the body. Original 440 motor, power windows. Let me know